Running a test. There's a very bright light above me. Might not show anything. Don't know. It's definitely spiritual, so it might need more specialised equipment. There's a green orb on me. There's a light coming out from within. Probably need specialised equipment, so 16th of the 11th 2025. I'm in my own kitchen, Lancaster, United Kingdom. This is a test. There's a very bright light above me. There's a light coming out of it. I'm just carrying out an experiment. Been quite a few come in, said it's possibly the eternal light. They've also seen a person in a white robe as in a reflection, saying it's Jesus Christ. I've got a green orb on me near my cross as well. There's no tricks, no light sensors. Just running a small experiment. Uh, see what's going on above. Very bright light. Like a very powerful sun with a ray of light coming out of it on top of me. It's a very old mobile phone. Seems to be where it's focusing there. Don't know what it is. And right in. Wow. Beautiful, whatever it is. Beautiful. Right, I'll stop the filming because I am conducting an experiment, so I'll stop the filming now.